You want a pattern that's diagonal. You want it thick to thin. How do you go about it? To make it easy, I think view and new guide layout, and I would suggest say like 50 for the columns and 1 for the rows. Click OK. Go to the rectangle tool and then set to pixels and set the colour to black or green or blue or whatever you want. To be consistent, I'm going to go for 7 and I'm going to leave a spacing of 2. Then next one 6. Again 2. And then leave a gap. You've got 2 at the end. So let's just go to the selection and then create a quick selection around the whole lot. So there's that gap there of 2. Go to edit and define pattern. And there you have it. Layer menu and new fill layer and pattern. Select your pattern. I'm going to set for scale 25 and also I'm going to go for an angle 45 degrees for your diagonal and click OK. How do you find this technique? Please put some comments below. Always great to hear from you. Also a dislike or like. Always appreciated as well. Thank you much.